Hi there, this is Tammy. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on to show you a project that I just completed. I'm part of a Facebook group where we do swaps, and this was a unique swap in that what we did was send our swap partner a kit of something we would like to receive completed. And my swap partner was Francine, and this is what she sent me. I wish I'd taken pictures or video of the kit when it first came, but it was all this really pretty, I don't know what kind of paper this is. This says Down by the Sea, and it's got butterflies and it's pinks and greens, and it is really pretty. And this is what the book looks like. This is the cover. She sent me this mini album kit, and this is what I did with the insides. I had to put it all together. All the pages were chipboard, the cover was chipboard, and then all of these pink and brown and green pages were included, and all of these little pieces of ephemera were included. We're supposed to try to use as much of the ephemera as possible. I put a lot in here, but I still had quite a bit left over. But I think I didn't want to go any farther. I think the book is very pretty the way it is. This page I made a pocket page, and there's a tag that can pull out. These two right here, these frames, I didn't glue the top, so she can slide a photo or something in there. And I should have said, let's see. Yeah, this one is not glued on the top, so she could slide something in there also. This can be for journaling or a photo. This also for journaling or a photo, and I only glued on the edges so that a whole photo can go in there. And then I used this paper clip was included, and I used that to attach those little pieces. I colored this little frame with my Stampin' Blends markers. Let's see. This is for journaling or a photo, and there's a little butterfly there. It had these wooden elements, and I colored these also to match. And then there's these really pretty pink pearls that were included in the kit. This was fun. There was only one sheet of this paper and this corrugated paper, and then this metallic element here. And so I thought those went pretty together, and I put a piece of the pattern paper behind with the pink pearls on the ends. This is also a tuck spot. I'm going to have to do something so she can tell where the tuck spots are. This was another wooden piece that I sponged this one with ink. The same ink that I used, soft suede, that I used to distress a lot of the things. This one I didn't do a tuck spot, so she would have to cut around that or else use it for a journaling spot. She also included this fun trim, and I didn't get it all in there. There was the leaves, there was gold and pink, and then there was this crochet trim in pink and green, and this seam binding in a taupe color. Cute little flower right there. This one I did do as a tuck spot. I only glued the edges. Here's another clip. This was a fun paper clip that was included. Another one of those wooden frames. I framed this little butterfly and added a piece of the lace, which I see is crooked on there, but it's too late to take it off. There's two more frames that she can slide in something. This one also, I don't think that one works as a tuck spot. And then I added some of this trim here. And there's another tag, and none of this is attached at the top, so she could slide something in back there. And then there's the back cover. Isn't this paper really pretty? I thought this paper was adorable. And something included in the kit was these beads. This one says Laugh and Sweet, and this one says Divine Princess. I didn't realize they said different things till I put this on here, or I might not have used this one, but so I made this charm, and this key was part of her kit too. So I made this charm to include pieces from the kit and to add some more fun to it. And on the bottom here there's a key on one and a little lock, and there's a dragonfly and a little charm that says Made with Love. So I love, as you know, I love making these guys. And then I put it on this chunky size, what's this called? Lobster claw. And then I tied up the extras, and I think I'm going to stick them on here. We'll see how this looks. Stick these on here, and then I'm going to move that part to the back. I don't like that the hinges are front and center, so I'm moving them backwards, and I'm going to clip this. There's the cat. I'm going to clip this on here, and then it just adds. Doesn't want to go on there though. So the lobster claw opening isn't big enough, so I'm going to do that a different way. I am going to open this and stick it on here, and then she'll have to open it to get it off if she wants to take it off. There, that fits on there. Except I want it on the other way. I want the charms on the front and the trims on the back. There. So, and she had this wooden element that says believe, and I used the seam binding to tie around and added these guys to the front. I think this is really pretty. I'm hoping that Francine likes it too. And I think that's it. Let me know what you think. This was a new way for me to do a swap, and it was a lot of fun. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.